Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Albayan Kadewantoro. Thank you for the time given. I will present the result of the paper. My my paper is Millennial at the Intersection of Crazy. Okay. Maybe I can go straight to the paper. Slide 2. Okay, the first, every time the social dynamic that occurred in society is also growing. This is inseparable for the role of technology, which currently plays a major role in shaping people behavior and talking about technology that cannot be separated from the millennial generation, which which is currently still an interesting discussion topic for discussion more deeply. Secondly, phenomena that are often displayed by millennials often provoke public opinion. Millennials are regarded as a new movement race who has a different behavior fear from the previous generation. Thus, the presence of millennial in the Indonesian bureaucratic system certainly give the new color and the new spirit in managing the bureaucracy that can be said to that has not no clear effectiveness and efficiency. And this time the bureaucracy in Indonesia in general is still paternalistic. Okay, slide 3. This is bureaucracy, yaitu meminjam pengertian birokrasi dari Harold Lesky berdasarkan buku Birokrasi dan Politik yang ditulis oleh Rina Martini. Birokrasi menggambarkan keadaan rutin dalam administrasi, mengorbankan fleksibilitas terhadap peraturan, keterlambatan dalam pengambilan keputusan, dan menolak usaha-usaha untuk bereksperimen sehingga birokrasi adalah ancaman bagi pemerintah yang demokrasi. Martini 2012. Millennial, second millennial, IDN Research Institute mengelompokkan generasi milenial menjadi dua, junior milenial dan senior milenial. Junior milenial adalah mereka yang lahir pada tahun 1991 sampai 1998 dan senior milenial adalah mereka yang lahir di antara tahun 1983 sampai 1990. Yang ketiga, perception. Menurut Robin, persepsi merupakan kesan yang diperoleh oleh individu melalui pasca indera kemudian dianalisa, diorganisir, diinterpretasi, dan kemudian dievaluasi sehingga individu tersebut memperoleh makna. Oke, kemudian slide 3. Millennial as digital negative. Millennial as digital negative and is a new really milestone for Indonesia. Going forward, the fate of the Indonesian people is very closely related to millennial performance in the country, especially in government. Millennial will be the majority generation in democratic structure in Indonesia. The total population of Indonesia during the next few years will continue to increase from 265 million in 2018 to 282 million in 2024. Okay, slide 5. This is millennial perception of bureaucracy. This is will we already did some interview and share online questionnaire to WhatsApp group that conducts of millennial generation. Most of the responded in student consist of 60% women and 14 person is men from 5 respondent. This is first question is, do you know about bureaucracy? Di sini sudah saya paparkan uh, data yang saya sudah ambil, bisa dilihat sama-sama bahwasanya 83,6% itu ya dan 10,4% itu tidak. Result 83,6% of them know what bureaucracy is, and 16,4% of them don't know what is bureaucracy. Most of them who does not know about bureaucracy is senior high school with 17 years old. Selanjutnya slide 6. Conclusion. Yang pertama, millennial know as digital negative is the main key to the development of the Indonesian bureaucracy, and it is their duty to bring Indonesia better into the future because there are in productive age, even though the data state that they are not too interested in politics. And because the Indonesia bureaucracy is so complicated and difficult to enable, this is one day make this generation not what to fuel into the world of bureaucracy. However, millennial has intelligent innovation to capture problem and result in a effective and efficient way. For this reason, the role of the governments and also the millennial generation of the important of their role in the bureaucracy must continue to be pursued to improve the bureaucratic system. So, it is expected that the presence of millennial in the bureaucracy will produce effective and efficient bureaucracy and true improvement in the bureaucracy. Di sini sudah dijelaskan bahwasanya conclusion seperti apa. Kemudian ada juga suggestion. Suggestion for the development of the bureaucracy, namely millennials, must be fully aware that they play an important role in they are involved in the bureaucracy. In addition to make them interested in the bureaucracy, the government must continue to encourage and provide a place for millennials to join in the bureaucracy. That's why it is a hope that millennials can turn patronalistic culture into a modern bureaucracy and certainly faster than the previous bureaucracy and far more effective and efficient. Okay, that all. That all from that all from the result of the presentation that I presented. More or less, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.